So we come to the priming exercise. Let's sit down, have feet flat on the ground, your back straight, and we are first going to do a small breathing exercise. What we have to do is inhale fully in, and then as we exhale, throw your hands upwards as you exhale, forcefully. So I'll just show a demonstration. Inhale and exhale forcefully. Inhale, inhale. So we will do this 3 steps of 10 breathing each. So 10 times into 3 sets. So now you close your eyes. Now here we start the priming exercise. Hands, breathe in and breathe out. In, out. In. Now stop. Hands on your lap. Just notice what you feel. Feel some tingling in your body. Feeling relaxed. Do you feel a sense of peace? Appreciate whatever it is. Alright, let's go for the second round of 10 sets of breathing. Let's start. Inhale. Now stop. Just notice what you feel. A feeling of tingling, a relaxed sense of peace. Now breathe up hard, and here we go for the last round of 10 sets. Breathe in and out. Now stop. Let the feeling of relaxation sink in. Now it's time to give ourselves 3 gifts. Think of a moment in your life you could be grateful for. Think of that moment. It could be a small moment or a big moment. And relive that moment. Feel the beauty of it. The joy of the gratitude. It could have happened today or years ago. Step into that moment. That's it. Feel it in your body as if you were there. See what you saw then. Hear what you heard then. That's it. Feel what you were feeling then. Just fill up your heart with the gratitude of that moment. It feels so good. You might even have an inner smile that may show up on your face. Let's take it in and feel so grateful. Give yourself the gift. It feels so grateful for that moment, the blessing of that moment, the beauty of it. That's it. That's it. Now imagine as you breathe in, you are taking in a golden light a golden divine light coming from the heaven through the top of your head is coming out from the universe, going into the crown of your head, going into your brain. It comes down through your chest, through your ribs, through your stomach, your legs. It's filling you up, making the best part of you stronger, strengthening the best parts of your courage, of your love, of your passion, moving down the head. The energy moves into the ground, to the center of the earth. Feel your connection with the earth. You are grounded. Now one more time. Bring the energy from the heaven down through your head, down into your heart. And this time, send it like a circle out. Pour it out through your heart onto those you love most. And feel them healing their mind, their body, their emotions, healing their fears. Their anger is healed. The best part of them being strengthened. Their love, their courage, their compassion, their joy. You see them smile and feel the joy. Now expand the circle of light from your heart and send it out further to family members, to friends, to co-workers, to strangers that are all lit up by this loving energy. Now bring this energy once again from the heaven to your whole body and all the way into your legs, into your body. This energy is healing your mind, your body, your emotions. It's cleansing and strengthening you, the best parts of you, your passion, your love, your determination, your joy. And you are again sending it out through your heart to your loved ones. Loving them, healing their strengths. And they don't even know. It feels so good to give to them, to see them feel joy, to see them heal. See the joy of it, that you could give to them and they don't even know it. Now imagine one goal that you want to achieve. Experience it as done. You are going to celebrate the victory. See and feel like it's done. Giving thanks and gratitude for it to happen to yourself and to those who helped you to realize it. Your gratitude to the universe, to the God. Now step in like it's already happened. Do you feel excited at the joy? Celebrating it as it's done. You are dancing with joy. You are thanking the universe. That's it. You made it happen. It's done and you are celebrating it with gratitude. The feeling of joy, feeling perfect, giving thanks for it, celebrating the victory as it has happened. And you are seeing the impact of it on yourself and on the others you care for. And you are so grateful for it all, that it's done, that it finally happened, that you made it happen, that you were guided to make it happen, that you did your part and you were guided. Feel how great it is for you and for others. Now, with your eyes closed, reach out with your right hand and grab any moment of your life you are proud of and bring that moment to your heart. Touch your heart and say, yes. Feel it. Explode it in your heart like you are there in that proud moment. Grab another moment of your life you can feel proud about. A little moment or a big moment. It's a proud moment. Grab it and bring it. Touch your heart and say yes. And feel it stacking one over the other. All those great moments you are awakened in your heart. They are already there. Now grab a future moment of love. Bring that to your heart and say yes. Feel it explode in your heart with all its beauty. Feel the joy of that love, its excitement. Now grab an exciting moment in your life that's already happened. The moment was really exciting. Grab that moment and relive it. Bring it to your heart and say yes. As it touches your heart and feel it. Step in. Feel the excitement of that moment all over again and enjoy it. Now grab a sacred moment from your life. A sacred moment where you felt guided, following beyond your mind. Bring that moment to your heart and say yes. Feel all these moments, grateful moments, proud moments, loving moments, sacred moments, all in your heart and soul, in your spirit, and they are stacked all one on one. What if life was always happening for you and not to you? It's all happening for you. What if even the pain and problems were gifts for you? If you found the meaning and you are free of them now, you have grown as a result of them. What if today was a difficult day in your life, including yesterday or days before, but today is more compelling, and tomorrow, because of this today well lived, will be a magnificent one. It's all inside in you. This is the real you. This is your true nature. Breathe in and feel its joy. Feel its love, its excitement. This is your spirit. This is your soul. This is you, awakened and enlightened. Find yourself opening your eyes when you are ready. Rise up, stretching slowly when you are ready, and start to feel the energy. And you build up the energy of all these experiences. The joy, the happiness, the love, the excitement, it all lay in your heart. Feel it, breathe it, experience it, and live these moments throughout the day today.